Hello everyone, today we will cover some of the best video converting softwares that you can use completely free. So let's get started. The first software on our list is VLC Media Player. As you all know, VLC is considered one of the best media players out there, but you can also use it as a video converter. So if you have the software, simply open it and click on media, then click on convert/save. Select the file that you want to convert, then click on convert. If you click on this edit icon, you can select the file type, video codec, audio codec, and also add subtitle. You can also select a destination for the file, then click on start. And that's it, and now you have successfully converted your file. This is not the best video converting option, but for casual use, VLC Media Player is more than enough for most people. Now, if VLC was not enough for you, you can use a Handbrake. A Handbrake is definitely one of the best free video converting softwares with some amazing features and options that makes it favorable for most people. You can use it on Windows, Linux, Mac, and they offer a portable version to try it without installation. To use Handbrake, first open the software, then select the file. As you can see from first glance, this is not a simple, easy to use software because Handbrake offers some amazing features and advanced options. First, you can select a preset. You can change the format. You can also change the dimensions of the video. You can add some filters, and here you can change the video encoder, the frame rate, and the quality. The higher you move the slider, the less compression will be in the video. You can also edit audio, add subtitles and chapters, and select a destination. Finally, click on Start Encode. The only problem that I have with Handbrake is the limited number of formats, but other than that, this is the best free video converting software, and for most people this is the ideal choice. Now, if you didn't wanna install a software, you can use an online service called Onlineconverge.com. This is an amazing website for online converting. You can convert any type of file: audio, document, software, archive, ebook, video. For this video, let's select video converter. Select the format. Now select the file that you want to convert. Once the uploading is over, you can edit the video settings like the aspect ratio, bitrate, frame rate, and also edit the audio if you want. Then finally click on Start Conversion. Once the conversion is over, click on Save. You can also download the file as a zip file or save it to your cloud account like Google Drive and Dropbox. They offer a premium version with more features and options. They also offer an extension for Firefox and Google Chrome and an app for Android and iPhone. This is a quick way to convert your files. The only problem I have with this website is because it's an online service, the uploading may take some time, especially if you have a lightning fast connection like me, but it's still a quick way to convert your file without installing any softwares. The next software on our list is Encoder. This is one of the best free video conversion softwares, specially made for video editors. I found this software lately, and what I love about this one is that they also offer a portable version that you can use without installation, just like Handbrake. But what makes it different from Handbrake is the number of formats that's supported. To use this software, first click on Browse and select the file that you want to convert. Then choose a function. And now you can edit the video, you can change the video bitrate, file size, you can also edit the audio, transitions, and there are even more advanced options. And you can also change the format. Finally, click on Start function. This is a great software, and if you were looking for an alternative to Handbrake, you can definitely try TEncoder. And the final software in our list is Wondershare UniConverter. Wondershare is mostly known for their video editing software, Wondershare Filmora, but they also offer some other great softwares like VidCoder and of course UniConverter, a great option to convert, compress and tweak your video files a little bit. It's available for Windows 7, 8, 10 and you can try it for free. UniConverge is not only a video converting software, you can also use it as a video downloader, video compressor, video editor for light video editing. You can also use it as a screen recorder and a video player, and there are some other great tools on this software to convert your file. First, select your video file. You can add subtitle and audio. You can also change the encoder, frame rate, resolution, bitrate, and in the bottom left you can change the video format. Any video format that you can think of, you will find it here. For more customization, click on the settings icon. You can also change the location, and finally click on converge. Once the conversion is done, go to finished. UniConverter is not completely free, but what I love about it is that there will be no watermark in the video, and in terms of features and options, this is an amazing software. Now, if you didn't care about spending money, there are some other great free options like Miro Video Converter, FFmpeg, TEncoder Video Converter, Format Factory, VidCoder, File Converter. This one adds conversion options to your file menu on Windows. You can also use free video editors like Shotcut, OpenShot, or any other video editor that you use. For more options and features, you must go with the paid option like the one we covered, UniConverge. There are some other great options like Freemake Video Converter and any video converter. If you know or use any other softwares, don't forget to mention them in the description. Like, subscribe. Until next time, bye.